This is a Leica DMRB. It's about 25-30 years old, and the problem is that the coarse focus has seized, so we're just looking at repairing this. So the first thing to do is release the fine focus grub screw. We only release this, we don't need to fully take it out, only a little bit, so it'll stay in, and then that allows us to remove the fine focus knob. This allows us on the other side to take out the fine focus shaft. Then we remove these screws here. And the coarse focus comes off. Take out objectives. Need to take out the condenser. Remove the stage. Remove these covers. Remove the holding screws for the coarse focus control mechanism. Remove the mechanism. Remove these screws. And pull out the inner shaft. Remove the top holding screw. Remove the inner shaft. There is ball bearings here to be aware of. So this is hardened grease, and we use IPA, which is high alcohol, to remove this. Once cleaned, then we can use high vacuum grease and re-grease it. Add extra ball bearings. Begin reassemble. Finally test, and that's us finished.